that time of year again, y'all, and we are looking for convenience. You guys know the holiday season is here. Not doing too much shopping this year. I spent so much time on my makeup today. I was like, I need to get out the house. My hair has to be easy today. This wig here from Myfirstwig, and it's supposed to be a really convenient wig, like 1 hour to get ready. I don't even want a whole hour to my hair, to be honest. Promises to be convenient. Hopefully it does. Like, it's super early right now. I might be a little bit raspy, but I have a lot to do today. Look at it right quick, and then I'll show you everything. Let's take a look at it out the box. I'm gonna compare it to the website. Everything it says it's supposed to be. And you guys can let me know what your thoughts is on this style by commenting below. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Marie. Do it. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to like the video, please. It comes in a bag like this. This is a storage bag. Of course, you can actually use this for travel. So in the box, they give you, won't work. This is not gonna work for me, so we're just gonna toss that. But they give you a wig cap and they give you the wig. So, ooh, okay. When I see this foam, I just know. So I can see they got the color. So let's go over the specs. So the specs says that this wig is $185, 13 by 6, 130 density. They also have the 180 density. They always give you a card with everything, with invisible lace, pre-plucked hairline, lightly bleached knots, free parting, adjustable straps, and elastic band. You can wear in a high bun or ponytail. Let's look at the cap. Okay, so it does come with the adjustable strap, as you can see. It's the built-in strap back in the back. The lace is pre-cut, so I don't have to cut the lace. That's great. As far as a high ponytail, it's 13 by 6 cap. You probably won't be able to do that, but you can do a half up, half down style. This wig do come in this beautiful highlight color. It's pretty, very natural. That's exactly what I'm going for. It comes in 10, 12, 14. Oh, you can get the yaki texture, or you can get the silky texture. Mine is the silky texture. Cap size is 21 to 22.5. and 23 options. You're going to pay a little bit more or less depending on the cap. This is what she's supposed to look like when you put her on. I don't know if I mentioned it, but they do have this in a natural black too if you don't want the color. Oh, so now that I look at it, so mine is a 13 by 6, so you can't really put this into a high ponytail, but they do have an option for you to get it in the full lace. So let's go ahead and apply it and see how it looks straight out the box. All right, so I'm just gonna slide this on. I hope this wig can be really fast. It comes down pretty long on the sides. Actually, now that I think about it, this length on the sides is longer than what I usually get from them. Normally, my cap size is shorter on the sides. Wouldn't have to cut that, of course, because it is a bit long. And their cap's supposed to be the new fitted 3D fitted cap, so it's supposed to fit really well. So it's supposed to lay a little bit more flat. This is what it looks like straight out the box. It's very silky, very soft. Little bends in the hair or whatever, but for the most part the hair texture is I have to do a little bit to it, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust the strap. We're going to adjust both straps, the one in the back, one that you take in and out, and then I'm also going to adjust the one that comes with the wig. There is a lot of room back here for me. This is different for my first wig. They did give me some clips, which I actually need. I don't mind having to do this because I would rather it be too long than too short, and then I can't even wear the wig. Just make sure not to cut into that cap. Okay, let me add my little touches, and then I'm gonna talk about it later, and then I'm gonna take y'all out shopping, okay? I'm gonna take y'all with me. And we're gonna see how this wig looking. I think it's super cold today. I don't even think the sun is gonna be shining, but you get to see the hair in different lightings. Right now, Myfirstwig is having their Black Friday sale where you can save 28%. Use code since 2015. So if you want this wig or if you want multiple wigs, this is the time to stock up on your wigs because you get big discounts for that Black Friday sale. The links will be below. Be sure to check down there. So this is what the end result looked like, you guys. Was it a flex? Is it a flop? What you think in the comment section. Let me talk about it. We got some things to talk about. Off the top, the color, the hair texture is phenomenal. Like, I really like the feel of the hair. Super silky, okay? But like I said, you can get this in a yaki texture. And I believe that's also with the color. So they do have that option. Favorite things about the wig is the color. It's just soft. It's brown, highlights, really pretty. Let's talk about the cap, because that's a big deal for me right now. I think that's the only thing I feel like is a slight flop. I don't know what size I have. Hold on. Yes, I do. Where's the box? So my cap is the 22 through 23. That's why. Okay, so my head size is usually a 21 to 22.5. I have here a size 2, which is a 22 to 23. And baby, the back is like flopping. So if the cap size for me is a flop. It's too much space back there for me. And then when I do scrunch it, it's like lifting up. So I probably could just insert that comb underneath the adjustable bands, kind of to keep it flat. That's the only problem for me with this wig. As far as the convenience, I have, what time is it? Oh yeah, it's still early. So it did get me through. I wasn't expecting to spend too much time on my hair. I did have to do a little bit of something to it. I didn't want the straight across like look, so I added just a little bit of edges. This is the option I wish they had on here. I wish to have edges, baby hairs or something. But overall, the lace is blending perfectly. As you can see, I'm still glueless. The only thing I'm using is the adjustable straps. As you saw for the sides, I did have to cut it. Because I didn't glue it down, it is flopping a little bit. But since I'm going to be wearing my hair like this, I don't think it's going to show anyway. But that do explain why I had to cut the size. The cap size is way too big for my head. It goes to 22 to 23. Again, that's probably why I got extra space. So, but the size was still pretty good for what it's worth. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think about today's style. Again, this wig is from Myfirstwig. I will have it linked below. Don't forget they are having their Black Friday sales going on right now. So you can save at least 28% off of your wig today. But yeah, I'm getting ready to head out. You guys stay tuned if you want to see that part of the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into the next portion. So I'm in here. I got to get some storage containers because I have a lot of clothes. Need organization. Oh, okay. Yeah, all right. Just let me know when you're here. Yeah, so I need to get some containers for storage because, like, I just got little things that need a place. If you guys know what I mean. Try not to do too much today. Because I always come in here and be like, I'm going to spend a little bit, and then I end up spending way too much. Ooh. Oh, look at these. These will come in handy for something. Or I could get the bigger ones. Think about it, I actually do need some new bathroom rugs. Let me stay focused on what I came in here for, y'all, because I will be all over the place telling bins. So I need to store my purses, and I don't want to use them big bins. These are actually nice. They got the smaller ones, look. Oh, they may come together. For 22, that might be a good deal. So that's how that one look. I don't know if I like the color. I do need some storage. I wish they had it in white. I might just go with these because these are cheaper. And they clear. Okay, so I did get these 2 containers. Like, I think they're due for my purses. Christmas stuff is in the back. Those are pretty. Look at that. Those are really pretty. I really like those. Let me go to the back because I know they got more stuff in the back. Oh, this one is pretty. I like this one. I don't know. I'm gonna put that right there for now. We'll see. Yeah, let's go to the back. So basically the tree skirts would be like 15 if they're 30. That's a nice one. Let me just go white. Oh, this one has sparkle. I like this one. I'm going with this one. And they have 50% off of the lights. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some because my tree had lights, but for some reason it's broken now, so my tree has no lights. Oh, look at these. Are these? Oh, these not on sale. Now I'm wondering if I should put those back and get the trees instead. The hair look like in sunlight. It's super pretty. Hey y'all, so I end up going to the gym. Just got back. Like I'm only gonna spend like an hour working out today because I've been in the gym all week. But I was so hungry, I actually got me something to eat. So all I could think about was food the entire, oh my God, it spilled. I could only think about food the entire time I was working out. So I got some, and excuse it, the ranch spilled, but I got some fried mushrooms. I usually don't even like mushrooms, but these, girl, they're gonna hit every time. That one was a little strong. Why was that one strong? But I really like my mushrooms super hot. And like I said, I'm not a mushroom girly, but for some reason these from Slim Chickens is really good. Just depending on what day I get them, they can be a hit or a miss. But anyway, I went to the gym and I worked out for about an hour. Since this is a put on and go wig, of course I didn't work out in this. I just kind of took it off. I didn't want to sweat it out, but you can work out in a shorter style if you like to, but I just didn't want to mess it up. I just did the style and I needed to be like my on and go style. That's actually really good. I'm also having chicken with it. This is my protein source. Anyway, I have to finish editing the video in a second. So I'm not going to spend too much time in today's video. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog because it's something different I like to add into some of my videos. One of my mushrooms tastes slightly off. How your mushrooms taste? I had one that tastes a little bit off.
Oh, I ain't tasting nothing that was off.
It was like a, oh, okay.
All right.
His tastes mine, I guess. Maybe it was just that one. If you want to see my exercises and what I do, you can follow me over on Instagram, 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗲𝗏23. You know, get some inspiration. I don't know if y'all are still into fitness or not. I've noticed a lot of people are starting to get back into it. It's like something I don't think I'm gonna ever stop doing unless I have to. Too many times starting and stopping and starting and stopping. I just find I get so tired of the inconsistency. So yeah. But yeah, you can follow me at 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗏23 over on Instagram if you want to see what I do. So I just wanted to show you guys the hair, what it looked like in direct lights. For some reason, this part of the video, I lost the audio. It just wasn't working right. But what I was saying is that the lace is a little bit more visible because I did take off my makeup. So it definitely is a little bit darker just for my complexion. But the hair itself looks amazing. It's gorgeous. I love the color of this hair. You can see that it has more highlights in the sunlight compared to in low light. So I will have this wig linked below in the description box for you guys down there. Be sure to check out those sales and I'll see you back in my next video. Happy Friday.